Hi, I'm LTD Leslie from JCI Taytay. We are inviting all members of JCI Metro area to attend the Avante on the 3rd ACM. There will be trainings on writing e-bids, effective communications, and eco-social enterprise. See you on July 16.